I'm a little thirsty. It appears that I missed another bus heading back to Uncle Bob's, or I kind of got cotton mouth back here. I've been singing and having a cigarette and a little liquid lithium. I'm kind of thirsty, but you know what I did today? I put these strings on Sybil on the earth. She's loud and bright. She got jealous when I started talking about dating schizophrenic Nancy and Helen Keller. So she's singing now. So I don't have a camera now, Richard Stone. What else, Mr. Trainer? Hold the phone. Hold the phone for me, sincerely, Frankie. I'm not real. I'm just an illusion. And if I stand up like this, maybe we can see. I don't know what the view is because I listen to Sybil up in these strings. Terrible. Do strings. There we go. I gotta spray some WD-40 on that. There we go. There we go. Good enough. Watch this. Smoky Mountain Rain, Finnish style, God style. Smoky Mountain Rain by Joshua. Not me. I'm just along for the ride. How about that? How about that? The stem of the boss. How's that first verse go? Hold on, let me move the stick. Hurt my toe, so I don't fall down and get boom. Here we go. Flag the geese are down outside Cali. Don't I got a rider, can you make these big wheels burn? Smoky Mountain Rain, keep on burning. Smoky mountain rain. Somewhere in the smoky mountain rain. Whatever got that? Thanks for watching. I love you guys. I love this tree. I love you, Joshua. Thank you, Daddy.